Hey, what's up my good people? Welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in our today's video we'll be reviewing how you can be able to check your internet speed. Actually, it is just very simple. You just need to be connected to the internet and have a browser. So what you need to do, we'll just open our browser, and this is our browser. I'm using Chrome. Either of the browser that you have, either you have Chrome, either you have Brave, or any kind of browser that you have, you can go to test your internet speed. So on your browser, you need to type fast.com. The moment we just run our system on this website, we'll be able to determine actually this website will give us our average speed, both the upload and the download speed. So just search, and as you can see, my system is running. You can see actually my speed crabbing. Then you have to give the system a little bit of time for it to settle down, so that it can be able to give you the average speed, both the download and that is the average speed for both the download and upload. So in this case, the average speed of my downloads and upload is 450 Mbps. That is quite a high speed. It's quite high, and most of these kind of speeds are used in the servers, but not commonly in desktop, because there's also some desktop that cannot be able to match this speed. So in case you want to view that is your download and upload speed, this actually what you have here, the 440 Mbps. This is the average upload and the download speeds. So in case you want to view the specifications, that is the download and the upload, you just click that button, and as you can see here, you can see for example, in this case, the server Chicago, US. You can see I'm currently in the US, and the download speed is indicated by the use of a download. That is an arrow pointing downwards, and my download speed is 330. Then we also have what you call the upload speed. Upload speed is a speed that you there's a speed that you upload files or data that is to the internet, and my upload speed is on it's 430 Mbps. So this speed is not constant, because at times your internet speed is not constant. So the moment if you can happen to run this speed again, actually will not get as 440, but at least we should get something close to that, unless there are some big variations on your internet speed. Let's for example run and see our new average speed. You can see, for example, right now it's crabbing up to 470 probably, and you can see it has settled at 460, meaning that our internet speed have increased, but at least we can see it's around plus or minus, let's say for example 50. It cannot go below 50 and cannot go above 50. So that is how you can be able to determine both the upload and download speed. And if you can check here, you can see, like for example, my upload speed, my download speed has actually increased to 400 MBs, and we also have my download speed, which is 400 MBs. So they have actually equalized. So that is how simple you can be able to determine that is your speed, your internet speed, both the download speed and the upload speeds. That's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.